How to enable two-factor authentication for Instagram. First thing first, you need to go ahead and open up your Instagram. Once you've opened up your Instagram, make sure you're logged into your account. Go to the profile icon at the bottom right corner. From your profile, tap on the three lines, and then go to Account Center. On your Account Center, you want to go over to Password and Security, and go to two-factor authentication. Now select your Instagram account here, and you can select any method you want to send a two-factor authentication code. First one is SMS or WhatsApp. So just make sure the toggle is turned on. Go back. You can also do an authentication app. Here you can just paste the code to the authentication application like Google Authenticator. And on additional methods, you can easily do backup codes. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.